Okay, so this problem's been causing students some problems. Suppose we want to find the composition of two functions, and they're not the nicest functions ever. F of x equals x minus 9 over x plus 8. G of x is x plus 3 over x minus 8. Two things. We will first find the composition. Secondly, the even harder problem will get the domain of the composition. So part A, find f composed with g of x, not times. This, of course, is f of g of x. Well, f of anything is that thing. Let me give myself some more room here. That thing minus 9 all over that thing plus 8. In this case, that thing is g of x. So g of x, this g of x here, of course, is going to go right down into there. So x plus 3 over x minus 8, x plus 3 over x minus 8. That's f of g of x. Now, that's not a bad answer right there. I mean, that is the composition. That's what they told you to find, right? They said find f composed with g of x, and we did that. But my math lab, those sticklers for details, they don't like it to look like this. So they want it to look simpler and prettier. So we will accommodate. What we're going to do is multiply top and bottom by, well, the thing that's going to clear out the fractions. There's a common denominator of x minus 8. So we're going to multiply top and bottom by x minus 8. We're multiplying by 1, so that's okay. That's legal. And then, of course, that means that we're going to have to distribute that x minus 8 over the two things, the rational expression and the negative 9. And also, we'll also have a distribution downstairs. Well, the first product, the one represented by this big arc right here, okay, that one, that is going to be just x plus 3, because of course the x minus 8s are going to cancel. And of course that was the whole point of this move, is to get rid of the fractions. So after that's done, we have an x plus 3. But then, of course, we also have something else there. We got that negative 9. And so negative 9 will also be multiplied by the x minus 8. Something similar happens downstairs. Again, the x plus 8, which is what? These x minus 8s, they're of course over 1, which is why the canceling can happen. And so the x minus 8, this one, will cancel with this x minus 8, again leaving an x plus 3. But then it also has to be distributed to the 8, so 8 times the quantity x minus 8. Well, of course, we're going to want to clean this up. We're going to want to get rid of parentheses. So x plus 3, the negative 9 distributes, negative 9x plus 72 all over x plus 3 plus 8x minus 64. And then there will be like terms to combine, because of course the x here, which is 1x, is like with the negative 9x, and these are like terms. 3 and 72. Those are like terms, and they can be combined. X and 8x are like terms. 3 and negative 64 are like terms. Okay, so combining, we have a 1x and negative 9x are negative 8x. 3 and 72 are 75. And down below we got 1x plus 8x are 9x. And the 3 and the negative 64 are negative 61. And that is the composition. So that's part A. And then in part B, we will find the domain of the composition.